to the channel. This is going to be a fun one. We are going to be creating a brand new footprint, turning a tiny 3-foot by 3-foot shower into a large 3-foot by 7-foot shower. Full bathroom, full shower remodel. Here we go. All packed up, let's hitch the trailer and get over there. Okay, here we go. Let's show you the space that we're working in. Come into our office. So here is the bathroom. Fortunately, our client demoed, except for the ceiling and the shower pan. But this is your old neo-angle shower. We are going to extend the shower all the way to this back wall. It'll approximately come out to a 30-inch by 70-inch shower. Relocate, toilet drain, new valve, new drywall on the walls, on the ceiling. This will be wrapped over here with Curdy board, Curdy drain kit. Of course, raise the shower head. Installing a 30-inch vanity here. Looks like a lot of work, but it should go very fast. This should take us probably 2 weeks to complete from start to finish. So, time to get to work, have some fun. Here we go. Okay, everything is going as planned. We're headed over to Home Depot to pick up some drywall for the bathroom, some insulation for the exterior wall. The plumbing has been relocated, both drains, and the slab patch is complete. So everything is moving along smoothly. Home Depot, lunch, and back to the site. Okay guys, we're making a lot of progress. Let's quickly show you here. Relocated shower drain center. The drywall is going up right now. Vent fans installed. We added an additional switch. We've got a 4-inch puck light there. The backer board in the shower is up right now. We will be installing a niche here once we receive tile. We will need to, again, waterproof all the seams, penetrations, screws, tape and mud, all this drywall. Install drywall back here. And then finally, pour some self-leveling. And of course, we need to install our shower pan and curb after the self-leveler is poured. Okay, we're gonna get right back to it. Keep chugging along. Everything is going smooth. Here we go. And the drywall's in. First coat is mudded, time to pour self-leveling concrete. Well, that's it for this episode. On the next one, we will be framing and installing our niche, waterproofing this surround, installing our shower pan, shower curb, shower pan tile, and get going on the field wall tile for this shower. Thanks for watching. If you are not yet subscribed, subscribe for the next episode, and I'll see you guys on the next one.